Alright guys, so I finished the front hook yesterday, well pretty much last night on the lude, and I was worried about doing it, and for a good reason, but I finally got it. I didn't know how to take off my bumper, so I read a bunch of stuff online on how to take it off. It's pretty simple actually, but yeah. So I installed it, and here's what it looks like. We just had a rainstorm, but yeah, that's what it looks like. It wasn't too bad, but yeah, those tow hooks are finally in, and looks pretty good. So it's a pretty short video of the tow hooks and whatnot, but stay tuned for more.